Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo bago matapos ang taong 2024. So, tingnan natin ano yung mga pasabog, ano yung mga exciting things na darating or mga energies na maaring ma-experience ninyo bago matapos ang 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Taurus. What's coming to you? Okay. So, you have Mercury in Pisces in the 4th house. So, bago matapos ang taon, may mga focus kang, bibigay mo yung focus attention mo sa bahay, sa family mo, sa family life. Possible na you will, do some changes within the family. Like, for example, bahay nyo, meron kayong ipapa-renovate or ipapaayos. Some of you maari ring meron kayong mga paperworks, no, na aayusin sa inyong bahay. Kasi Mercury is about documents, papers, mga kailangang asikasuhin na papeles, no. Mercury is also your ideas, yung mga thoughts mo. So, maaring meron kang mga bagong idea na gustong ayusin or gawin para sa bahay mo with Pisces energy here. This is about being more creative, imaginative. So, yung iba sa inyo merong maaring you are thinking about moving to a different house. Pwedeng naghahanap-hanap na kayo ngayon sa social media or sa mga yung mga sites kung saan makakahanap ka ng bahay, lupa, ganyan. Some of you are planning to move to a far place, no? So, maaring from Luzon ka, gusto mo tumira sa Cebu, sa Visayas, or sa Mindanao, or sa ibang bansa. But, even so, no, kahit naman saan pa to, but, maaring may mga ganong plano, for some of you. I also see, parang yung iba, pwedeng mas pipiliin nyo or parang you are setting up a work from home environment, no, na kung saan pwede kang makapagtrabaho at the comfort of your home. So you have, meron ditong now this is about limitations or some delays. So kung meron kang mga inaasikaso na, let's say, kahit ano pa tong inaasikaso mo that you are really looking for an update, pwedeng may mga delays yan. Lagi mong tandaan, delays are protection or redirection. Okay? You also have Lagos. Lagos is about your emotions, your intuition, your instinct. So, magiging malakas yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, especially in making decisions. So, kung mararamdaman mo na parang something is off or parang feeling mo this is not good for you, then wag mong ituloy, okay? Dahil yun yung instinct mo na nagsasabi na, oops, wag muna, or hindi yan para sa'yo, okay? You also have Ansus. Ansus is about wisdom, insights. I feel like bago matapos ang taon, you will have a lot of clarity sa situation mo, clarity sa mga plano mo sa buhay. Kasi pwedeng meron kang mga pinupursue, may mga gusto kang ma-achieve bago matapos yung 2024, pero parang hindi nangyayari, no? Parang may mga limitations, napipigilan ka, may mga delays. That is because there is something na meant for you moving forward, no? Maaring ito ay hindi na makakatulong para sa'yo na mag-move forward sa susunod na taon. Kaya, nire-redirect na yung attention mo sa ibang bagay. Okay? So, always remember if there is something na parang you feel like it's no longer serving your highest good, just let it go and hayaan mo na mag-flow sa'yo yung mga bagong energies, bagong ideas, bagong inspiration that will lead you to your foundation. Magbibigay sa'yo ng solid foundation, ng stability. Okay? So, let's see what else for you, Taurus. Ngayong bago matapos ang 2024 for Taurus. Oh, 'di ba? You have the Eight of Cups. Meron kang ipupursu na ibang bagay. So parang meron kang tatalikuran dito na sa tingin mo is hindi na siya helpful sa hindi ka na nag-grow. You feel na there's no improvement. So this can be a career, a business, or even relationships. So yung iba nga kaya siguro kayo nag-iisip na lumipat ng bahay kasi parang you feel like mas maganda na magsimula ang taon na nasa ibang lugar ka, ibang energy rin. So I feel like bago matapos ang taon, paplanuhin mo na yan or pupuliduhin mo na yan, isiset mo na yan. Okay? Wow. See, you have the universe, you have a lot of resources. Maaring ito yung nare-realize mo na marami kang pwedeng gawin, marami kang pwedeng pagkunan, no? Na kung ano man yung situation mo ngayon na very limited, stagnant, no? Naiisip mo nang umalis sa sitwasyon na to because it's not really helping you out to grow. So you are coming out of your limitation. Maalis ka sa yung comfort zone. You are seeing the big picture. Mas nagiging creative ka na hindi lang ito ang meron ka. Marami ka pang pwedeng ma-experience. Marami pang blessing na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. Okay? Let's see sa money, career, finances for Taurus. You have justice. Ooh, finding balance. This is also about a decision making. So kung makikita mo, may eye dito. Ay ang mata na yan yung third eye, that is your another sense, no? Yung iyong instinct, yung intuition mo. That's why magiging very strong yung instinct mo when it comes to making decisions, especially in your career. So maaring may clarity ka sa career mo ngayon kung ano ba ang ipupursu mo. Career, finances, your business. Let's see what else for money, career, finances. Attention, ayan. Be careful daw. Oh. You're also going to be very careful in making decisions pagdating sa kaperahan mo. Kumbaga, hindi lang yung tipong gastos dito, gastos doon. Prioritize your needs over your wants as it affects the harmony in your cash flow. So, speaking of harmony, ito yung justice because this is about balance, no? So, bago matapos ang taon, magiging matalino ka pagdating sa pag-handle ng pera mo. Oo. Yung mga bagay na dati, mabilis mo lang pagkagastusan, ngayon, iwas ka na, no? Hindi ka na talaga basta na bibili, gagastos, or magkakaroon ng mga desisyon na hindi pinag-isipan. Okay? So, sa love life naman. Love life, the star. Okay, so you are healing. You are healing from relationship, situationship. Kahit anong relationship to, this can be a romantic relationship or connections mo with your family. You are hopeful, no? Nakikita mo na may maganda pang pag-asa for you when it comes to relationships. May karelasyon ka man o wala, single ka man ngayon. I think you are focusing on taking care of yourself, no? Self-love, self-care, yan yung uunahin mo. Kasi sabi nga nila, paano ka makakapagmahal ng iba kung yung sarili mo hindi mo kayang mahalin, hindi mo kayang pagtuunan ng atensyon, 'di ba? Let's see. Love life for Taurus. Okay. I'm going through a dark night of the soul. Nothing in my life is making sense. So, maaring ito yung na-experience ng iba sa inyo, no? Na parang hindi na kayo sigurado sa situation nyo ngayon if you are connecting with someone. Maybe this is also the energy of you na leaving a relationship now with the Eight of Cups. You feel like alam mo kung ano yung deserve mo. You know what you deserve in a relationship, and you want to experience what you deserve in a relationship. Okay? And now, you are focused on your healing. It's a process. Proseso ang healing eh. Hindi naman yan, basta na lang magaling ka na. It's not that kind of magic. Ikaw rin mismo yung kailangang tumulong sa sarili mo para makapag-heal ka rin. If you are willing, kung handa ka na mag-heal. Kasi kung hindi ka rin handa, wala, paulit-ulit lang yung situation na pinoproblema mo, lalo na sa relationship. Okay, what else for Taurus? Beware of greed. Ayan, mag-ingat din kapag yung tipong marami kang, parang gusto mong maraming makuha, no? Sabi nga may kasabihan, naghangad ng kagitna, isang salop yung nawala. Okay? So, it's time for you to focus on your blessings. Ano yung ng mga mako-consider mo na blessings sa buhay mo? Sabi nga nila, count your blessings because this will make you feel grateful, no? Sa mga, kung ano yung meron ka pa ngayon, no? Can be anything sa buhay mo. Life is a blessing itself, no? Yung tipong wala kang sakit, wala ka sa ospital, it's a blessing. Okay? Let's see, final message for you, Taurus. Oh my God, so change course. May pagbabago talaga ng direksyon sa inyo, oh. Daming options. Okay. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even better direction. It's time to change course. 'Di ba? So that is the whole energy for you. Ngayong bago matapos ang taon, yan pinapakita ng reading sa inyo na may better direction. Kaya siguro may mga delays kasi ibig sabihin nun, parang pinipigilan ka ng universe na, nope, hindi dyan, no? Dito ka. Oo, that's why your instinct, your intuition will really help you to discern, no? Para mapag-desisyonan yung situation mo, which path to take. Okay? You are changing your path, Taurus, bago matapos ang 2024. So, that is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye.